lecture presented to Dhapa, and the academic reaction will be given to us by our two beloved former teachers, Mr. Sivan Patnaik and Mr. Sudhander Kain.
Dr. Arun Kumar, Chairperson CSP, the two very distinguished speakers today who have been part of social sciences, and we still think of them as part of CSP and the SSS, Mr. Sudhander Kain and Mr. Prabhat Patnaik, colleagues and distinguished scholars in the audience. I'm very happy I'm here, and sorry I couldn't come for some of the sessions that I wanted to because of various other preoccupations. I think it's a very good idea that CSP is celebrating 40 years of its existence by having a seminar and by bringing together so many people and having a seminar on the theory and practice of the Indian economy, which is very appropriate for a center of this kind because a large number of people in the center have made great contributions to this subject. Not only those who are within the center, but those who are the alumni of this center have also in various places made various contributions. So I'm sure it's a very good idea, and I believe there have been excellent papers, and I'm sure the faculty of CSP would think of putting it all together. There seems to have been a whole range of papers, and I'm very glad that this was organized. I'd just like to make 2 points here. One is that we now have a very active alumni association. So I take this opportunity to invite all those who come from outside and are alumni speakers here, and I see a long list. I don't know if all of them are still here, but they should please become members of this alumni association. It's been very active for the last 2 years. Professor J.G.V. Prasad is looking after it, but there's a website also. I mean, in the sense, if you go onto the website, there is mention of the alumni association, how to become a member, and so on. So I hope this will not be limited to CSP only, but you can also become part of the alumni association, and that would be really very, very nice. The second is we are thinking of a JNU archive. It's still at the level of an idea. A few rooms have been allotted. We are trying to get some funds and so on. But if you have anything which you think, old photographs, and so on, which you would like to put in the JNU archives, I take this opportunity also, since I am here, to mention this. And some of our faculty members have taken great interest, and this is something that we've been wanting to do for a long time, because I think there's a lot of the history of the university that could be covered. In fact, I found in my room, very old papers, court papers, first ones, academic council papers. I think these can be all kept somewhere, digitized. Somebody might like to write even a history of the university sometime, how it's been governed, what it's been in history, because we are all part of it. So in that sense, seminars like this are an excellent idea. It's the best way of celebrating 40 years. And I think earlier SSS also had one. Dr. Zoya Hassan as Dean had organized one. So I'm very happy that we've done this, and I think the best way is to invite our alumni to speak. And I now invite Professor Sunanda Sen. I think she'll be speaking first, and then Professor